This is a 2015 Cadillac Escalade. It's the premium package, and it's got some beautiful black 22-inch wheels, the big long Cadillac taillights on the back. It's black with black interior. Super sleek. Love the look here. Layout on the dash is just elegant. It's got the massive TFT screen right there in the middle. This one's going to have heated seats, air-conditioned seats, as well as a heated steering wheel, cup holders there, and a huge armrest. Headsets in there for the rear DVD as well. There was navigation, 360 camera, and of course a sunroof up top. And as we climb into the middle row, you can see captain's chairs there in the middle. It's got the rear HVAC controls as well as some inputs for the rear entertainment, which is right there. Plays Blu-rays or DVDs. With 2 in the middle and 3 in the back, 2 all the way up front. This is a 7-seater SUV with a little bit of storage behind there and some underfloor storage to boot. You're going to have all you need, power seats as well. Lots of cargo area there. Come check this thing out, next level in Hillsboro.